In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add two colors in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their design projects by using gradients, which are an excellent way to combine colors smoothly. So let's dive in and explore how you can add these stunning effects to your Canva creations. To get started, open your Canva project and click on the background of the design you're working on. This is important because the background is the base layer where you will be applying your color combinations. By selecting the background first, you ensure that any changes you make will directly affect this layer. Next, you will want to direct your attention to the top of your screen. Look for the color icon, which is typically represented by a colorful square. Clicking this icon will open the color options menu, where you have the opportunity to customize the hue of your background. This step is crucial because it's your gateway into the color customization features of Canva. Once you have the color menu open, you need to find and click on the option that says Add New Color. By doing this, you are essentially telling Canva that you want to inject fresh colors into your design. Adding a new color will allow you to start building the gradient effect, which combines two colors smoothly. This feature enables a more personalized touch to your designs, leaving a lasting impression. Now, navigate to the section where it says Gradient. This option is designed for those who want to blend two colors into a seamless gradient. When you click on Gradient, it will open up the capability to start mixing colors. This is where the magic happens, as you can choose how one color transitions into another. After selecting the gradient feature, it's time to modify the first color. Click on the first color box and choose a shade that suits your design vision, whether it's a soft pastel or a bold primary color. Adjusting the first color lets you set the initial tone for your gradient, then carry on to the second box and repeat the process. Select the second color by clicking on it and then choosing from Canva's wide range of palettes. Consider how these two chosen colors will blend together, aiming for a transition that complements the rest of your design. Finally, enhance your design by clicking on the highlight option. This will provide an extra pop to your gradient, making certain elements stand out more prominently. With everything set, take a step back and admire your work. You've successfully combined two colors into a gradient on Canva, adding depth and interest to your project. With practice, these tools will empower your creativity even further. And there you have it, how to add two colors using Canva's gradient tool. Thanks for following along, and I hope this has inspired you to integrate more creative elements into your designs. Happy designing!